Okay, so I've had a few students ask me about how to properly pre-flight planes and stuff like that. So it's broken into 3 steps. Step number 1 is going to be gas and oil. Behind this seat should be a fuel sump. So you need to grab the fuel sump. And then there are 3 ways to sump it, but first you're going to check and make sure your fuel is either full or at tabs. So you have a left tank and a right tank. To that tab right there, right there, is 17 gallons. Full is 24. So we got right tank, we got left tank, check both those. And then there's a sump under the wing right here. You're gonna take this thing and just jam it up there. Fill it up, making sure that's clear. And you're gonna put it back in the tank, right? I'm just gonna put it right there for now. Do that same thing right here. So sump 1, sump 2, then you have sump 3 over here. Same exact place, right there. Remember, step 1 is fuel and oil, so you're gonna check the oil as well. Make sure that oil is chilling, which it is. So fuel and oil is good. Step number 2 is your electrical stuff. So once again, with every step, it requires its own walk around until you can get a good flow for it. But with the electrical, you come in here, you got a few switches to look at. You're gonna hit your battery, landing light, nav light, strobe lights, all those on. You're also gonna go down here and turn on your pitot heat. So when you do your walk around for electrical, you're checking strobe and nav lights for each one. You're gonna lift up your stall tab to make sure your stall tab's good. You're gonna check your landing lights, which once again are on the wingtips. And you're also gonna check your pitot heat, which is under there. It's a pitot mast, it gets really hot. Once step 2 is over, once your electrical step is over, you come in here, you turn off that pitot heat, strobe lights off, nav lights off, landing light off, battery off. Step number 2 is over. So remember, step number 1, gas and oil. Step number 2 is electrical. Step number 3 is your airframe. So step number 1, in the airframe, make sure your POH is in here and open it and make sure it corresponds with the aircraft. Your other documents are in here. You can see them right there. That's your airworthiness and your registration. And then your weight and balance is in the weight and balance section in section 6. That's your aero checklist. Airworthiness and registration are right there. Operating handbook's right here, and your weight and balance is in it as well. You're gonna pick up these flats all the way, and then you can start your final walk around. With these flaps, you're just gonna pull on them. Ailerons deflect this one down. The other one should be up way over there, which it is. Keep walking around, making sure there's nothing on the leading edges that could be suspect. Leading edges are all good. Make sure your vent is good. Make sure those protrusions are all good. With your wheels, you check for tread, strut, make sure there's good strut there. And your brake pads, which are right there, which you'll see in the future. Look around, there's no brake on the front wheel, so it's just gonna be tread and strut. Making sure our propeller is good. Just making sure nothing looks weird. Same thing on this side. Also, you're gonna look at your pitot mast, which I mentioned earlier. That's your pitot mast right there. As we come around. If you notice, there's also these things, which are static wicks, and there's 9 static wicks. There's 3 on this wing, 3 on the other wing, 3 on the tail. We got some antennas to worry about. GPS 1, GPS 2. We have COM 1 and also COM 2 right there. We have a VOR antenna up top. And also we're gonna deflect what's called our stabilator all the way up Making sure our anti-servo trim tab is going up with it. And looking down, there should be a bolt right here. If that bolt is loose, then that is really bad. Making sure your rudder's good. You could even like do this a little bit if you want. Stabilator's good. Finishing up our pre-flight. ELT antenna is good. Making sure nothing looks weird. Sometimes I even walk around to the front and just look at everything. Flaps are coming up, and your pre-flight is done.